In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in Adobe Express using the video block in your project. To get started, open the Adobe Express project where you want the video to appear. Then scroll or navigate to the specific area of the page where you'd like to embed your YouTube content. When you're in the right spot, click the plus icon in that area. This opens the menu for adding new types of content to your project. From the available options, select Video. Adobe Express will add a video section to the page with a field where you can connect a YouTube video using its link. Quick side note, for more simple Adobe Express tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Ecom Control. Now, copy the link to the YouTube video you want to embed. Paste it into the YouTube video link field and then click Save. Adobe Express will use that link to add the video directly into your project. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video in Adobe Express.